Chloritabs are effervescent chlorine dioxide tablets designed to provide powerful and reliable microbial control for a variety of applications, including water treatment, sanitation, and surface disinfection. Our Chloritabs are easy to use, portable, and ensure precise dosing, making them ideal for both routine and emergency disinfection needs. With a commitment to safety and environmental sustainability, our Chloritabs offer a versatile and efficient solution to maintain cleanliness and hygiene. Chloritabs can be used for disinfection and sanitization products, chemical products, health and safety products, industrial and commercial supplies. SVS CD500 A and B kits can be used for water treatment products, disinfection and sanitization products, chemical products, industrial and commercial supplies, health and safety products. Sector usage: industrial, agricultural, food and beverage, hospitality, mining. Acumen Group, the ultimate choice for effective and convenient disinfection. Scan here to download the SVS Chloritabs A and B kits brochure.